Hi, I am Iman, a UI UX designer, and in this video I will show you how to bring your static designs to life using interactive prototypes in Figma. Whether you are showcasing a mobile app, a website, or a product concept, prototyping helps simulate real user flows without writing a single line of code, perfect for client presentation, user testing, or developer handoff. Let's dive in and make your designs feel real. Switch to the prototype tab and simply drag a blue node from one frame to another to create a connection. Now pick your interaction like on click, while hovering, or even after delay and choose what happens next. Navigate, open overlay, or scroll to. Want it to feel smooth? Choose from animation styles like instant, dissolve, or smart animate for a polished transition. Hit present and now you can walk through your design like a real app, complete with working buttons and transition. Need feedback? Share the prototype link with anyone and they can click through without even logging in. Interactive prototypes turn static designs into clickable experiences so you can test, share, and impress, all from Figma.